In this video, I want to show you exactly how you can create your GitHub and your Streamlit accounts. Now, let's start with GitHub. I'll be leaving you the link below, but you just need to do github.com. And in there, you will go to enter your email and click sign up. After you sign up, then you will need to create a password and a username. Then it will start verifying your account. And after this, I'll get back to the GitHub area where I need to sign in. With here, I will add either my username or my email address and my password, and then click sign in. After signing in, then you can create either a GitHub page or a repository. I recommend you to first create this repository, and you can call it, let's say, finance apps. You can add some description and either add it as public or private, and add a README file. Now, after this, you will already have an area in order to load the codes that you will be needing to use for different either AI applications or AI agents, as I showed you on my other videos. Now, let's go to the second one, Streamlit. So once you go to Streamlit, that again, I will be leaving you the link below, then you will need to click continue to sign in. And then you can continue with GitHub. And that's why we did the GitHub account first. So go and click here. Now, as you can see, I'm authorizing now Streamlit to go with GitHub. So click authorize. And then it will be launching my workspace. Now, in here, as I have shown you in my other videos, you only need to click create app, and then you can deploy a public app from GitHub. Once that you do that, then it will already read the repository that we just created moments ago. Thanks for watching, and now you can come back to the other videos and create either AI agents or AI-powered apps. Thank you.